Where physics meets the breaking point. Where one mistake costs everything. Extreme danger meets extreme skill. See the world's riskiest heavy transport operations. Hold your breath. This is the edge. Behold the process of transporting the world's largest excavator. Moving this massive thousands of tons equipment requires flawless coordination and high-level expertise. Utilizing trains for transport minimizes time and enhances efficiency, ensuring the safety of both the machinery and the surrounding environment. Here's a real powerhouse in action. The Vermeer T-1055 trencher was loaded up and sent on a road trip from Clear Lake to Roseville, California, riding on a 9-axle Cozad bump steer trailer. Imagine the precision involved in getting that beast safely across miles of road. Such a thrilling challenge for any transport team. As soon as he starts slowing down, it's game over. The only chance was keeping speed and steering it out. Stopping would have sent the trailer tipping for sure. Should have been more careful from the start. Talk about an incredible feat of engineering. The tracker. 07 Ardèchois, an iconic plane of the French civil security, was transported across 133 kilometers by Capel Oversize.
Chưa lên được các bạn ơi. Wow, chắc phải một đỏ nữa rồi. Bác Tài đã lên đến khúc cua trên này rồi. Lại là một khúc cua thử thách tay lái. Chiếc xe đang lấy dốc lái sang hướng bên kia để lên cái... Có lẽ đoạn này sẽ lên dễ dàng hơn rồi. Rồi, gần lên được rồi. 2 khúc cua gấp nhất trên đèo. Rất may là bác Tài đã vượt qua và không có thiệt hại một quả lốp nào. Thời tiết nó quá xấu rồi. Từ đây nhìn xuống khoảng 30 mét mà.
Wow, this video really puts the expert in heavy haulage, navigating a steep mountain pass with zero visibility. Not for the faint-hearted. The driver's skill is on full display here as they take on foggy, dangerous conditions, pulling that massive rig around a hairpin curve with precision. Those are the kinds of professionals we need handling these giant machines.
Ui. Sao thế? Lại không được rồi. Rất may là đã lên được rồi các bạn nhé.
The Liebherr R996 is a beast in the mining world. Weighing up to 740 tons for the backhoe and 745 tons for the face shovel, this hydraulic monster is powered by twin engines cranking out 3,000 horsepower. With bucket capacities reaching 33 cubic meters, it's made for the toughest jobs. That river crossing looks insane. The mud, the freezing weather, and the uncertainty of it all. Only the toughest trucks and drivers can handle this kind of risk. Big props to the team for taking it on headfirst. That's what I call real teamwork. Impressive Machinist transport. A 160-ton equipment platform and a full load of complex machinery are on the move. What really sparks curiosity is how these massive loads are secured. Is it all about chains, or is there some next-level ingenuity happening behind the scenes?
Ô Gil, você tá vendo aí, ó? Já ergueu todo o nível e ela não cai. Ó o que tá caindo lá. Ó, devagarinho, ó. Ó. Oh, tombou! Tombou! Você tá ouvindo? Você viu?
Man, that's gotta be frustrating. The driver knew the risk, tried to avoid it, and still, things went south. Guess the hierarchy didn't quite get the picture. Watching this video gives a whole new perspective on heavy hauling. Moving a generator across 1,500 kilometers of rugged terrain is no small task. And let's not forget the technical skills needed to safely descend those steep hills with all that weight. It's a real testament to the expertise behind these operations. Check this out. The Cat 604 Zero Excavator's journey begins with parts shipped from Singapore and Germany. Now here's a twist. The WKA parts are being towed up the mountain at Windpark Neuenrade. Sometimes, even the toughest terrain can't stop progress. Let's break it down. Propane tankers are vital to transporting pressurized materials. A rollover like this on Route 114 presents serious risks, but fortunately, the injuries were minor. Quick response teams ensured the propane was safely uprigged and cleared without major incidents. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. It's becoming more common to see gigantic wind turbine components being transported across the roads. As the economy grows, so do these heavy shipments, but they come with their own set of challenges: delays, accidents, and traffic jams. We need solutions. These massive transition pieces, each weighing 340 tons, are a reminder of the scale of Hornsea 1. The entire project exemplifies precision, from the loading out to the eventual installation in the North Sea. And with an impeccable safety record and world-class quality, Wilton proves that big doesn't have to be risky. Globe Trailers is a leader in heavy load logistics. Watch as they expertly load oversized cargo with precision, utilizing advanced equipment like hydraulic platforms and heavy-duty trailers to ensure safe and efficient transport. Yikes, that's a nightmare scenario. The tow truck struggling to right the rig while navigating that steep incline. It's honestly a fine line between saving the vehicle and making the situation worse. Welcome to Yamal, geophysicists braving the wild, as Oral and Kamaz trucks dominate northern roads. These monsters don't just fight mud, they wade through deep rivers too. Just watch them go. This transport is an absolute beast. Moving a 128-ton rotor from Beer to Mutens is no small feat, but Velti für Nukren and Special Transport AG makes it look easy. Precision, power, and technique come together in a flawless execution. The careful maneuvering through tight spaces and the calculated approach show the company's deep expertise in handling such oversized loads. Barely a challenge for them. The driver must be sweating bullets. You can literally see the truck fighting gravity as it lifts its wheels. That's one heck of a power struggle between the load and the engine. The Volvo EW145B's loading onto the trailer highlights the importance of hydraulic precision. With a weight of over 14 tons, careful calculations are made to ensure that the machine is balanced perfectly. This ensures the safe transit of the excavator, even through rough terrain. Watching this 225-ton turbine get moved so smoothly, it's hard to believe how they manage such precision with something so heavy. Kudos to Tunga Division for pulling off this transport without breaking a sweat. The skills, the equipment, and the planning all come together for a flawless operation. The Volvo FH520 and FH540. Horsepower trucks teamed up with Goldhofer axle lines for this precision-heavy transport of a transformer. Combining 1,060 horsepower with specialized equipment is no small feat. Great work! Ever wonder how marble gets demolished so quickly? The Volvo L220F is doing it right here. Smooth operation, controlled power. This machine makes tough jobs look easy. Who else is impressed by its efficiency? Talk about pushing the limits. Precision Specialized Inc. took on the challenge of moving not one, but two 190,000-pound transformers, and they did it seamlessly, thanks to their Super 13 axle transporter. It's a behind-the-scenes look at the ultimate in heavy lift transportation. The Waya tractor pull highlights top-tier heavy-duty engineering. With over 1,000 horsepower, these tractors excel in precision and performance, pulling massive loads over steep hills with peak efficiency, showcasing advancements in modern agricultural machinery. The Tunneliers du Grand Paris project is a landmark in logistics, with 21 tunneling machines transported from Germany to Ile-de-France, including a 117-ton piece at 7 meters wide. Transport Capelle showcased unparalleled precision in managing over 2,000 specialized convoys. Seven days, 5,000 tons, one massive crane. The Goliath crane at Megatrans delivered big, moving 530-ton modules with precision and speed. Tight load limits? No problem. Watch as this mega project comes to life. Get ready for some serious action. They're rocking out with brand new gear to crush overliner material like never before. From the CAT 349EL excavator to the powerhouse combo of Power Screen and Terex crushers, this setup means business. Royal IHC's modular equipment design is a game changer. They make heavy lifting and offshore construction seem effortless. The expertise behind these machines guarantees efficiency and sustainability. This engineering feat highlights the Colombian transport team's skill and precision as they navigate narrow roads from Sogamoso to Yopal. Transporting an enormous module, they boldly drive against traffic, an essential move to safely handle oversized equipment through challenging terrain. That was just a glimpse into the world of heavy hauling. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping feats of engineering. See you next time.